Hey guys, this is Math 148. Whole section is about applications of definite integrals and finding the area under the graph. So this is question number 5. This is what I consider the most exciting question in this section. And here's how the problem reads. A small brewery considers the output of its brewing machine as a continuous income stream with an annual rate of flow at time t given by this equation. That's f of t equals 80 times e to the negative 0.1 t. In thousands of dollars, find the income stream for this brewery for the next 10 years. So you could say, Mom, it's not a brewery, it's a continuous income stream. I'm sure everyone would understand. So here's our graph. I drew the graph here for you. And we're looking for the income stream from 0 to 10 years. Right, there we go. So we basically want to find the area. Sorry, that's supposed to be one straight line, not a little blurb. So we basically want to find the area under this curve. Right, that's going to be our continuous, our income. What is that income? We wonder. So, to find the area under the curve, we're going to take the definite integral from 0 times 0 to 10. So the first 10 years, just let it be 0 to 10 of this integral. 80 e to the negative 0.1 t dt. So, now we just have an integral to deal with. What could be simpler? Well, maybe not having an integral, but here it is. So now, come on, pen. What's happening? Come on, pen. Let's try another page. There we go. All right. So now we want the integral from 0 to 10 of e, 80, e to the minus 0.1 t dt over time, change over time. So this part now, we just have to do this integral. And the challenge of this integral is the same stuff we did in chapter 12. So first we'll pull the 80 out in front, 0 to 10 of e to the minus 0.1 t dt. And when you look at this, you think this right here, that's what's messing us up, because we want that to be one variable and not a messy variable. So we're going to use our u substitution, let u equal negative 0.1 t, and then du, the derivative, so many things happening, is negative 0.01 dt. So the derivative of this is just that. How does that help us? Well, we have 80. I'm just going to leave the numbers off for now. And e, now we can write this as e to the, let me put it like this, 0.01 t dt. What we want is a negative 0.01 right there, because then it would be in our perfect formation. But we don't have the minus 1. So in order to have a multiplication of negative 1 right there, we have to divide by negative 0.1. It's actually 0.1, not 0.01. Right there. So why did we do this? Because now this part here is equal to 80 divided by negative 0.1, and then this is e to the u du. This is our u substitution integrals, because again, this is e to the u, and that's the derivative, right? E to the u, that's the u, and this part becomes du. Yay! That's our u substitution. 80 divided by negative 0.1 is negative 800. And the derivative of e to the u is just e to the u. That's why we did it. Plus a constant. So I'm going to write it up here. The answer here is negative 800. We're going to put the u back in. Put the u back in. Negative 0.1. That should be a 0.1 right there. T plus a constant, and we're evaluating this from 0 to 10. So I'm going to rewrite this on another page. So we said that equals, we're at negative. What is up with these pages, you guys? What's happening? Negative. Thank you. That's all I ask. All I ask is to be able to write on my own tablet page 0.1 t, and then you could add the constant or not, from 0 to 10. Okay, so now we're getting to the end, you guys. First we plug in 10, so you plug in this top number first. So it's negative 800 times e to the point negative point 0.1 times 10, right? Plus a constant, which doesn't matter because that's going to go away. Minus, we plug in the value at 0. That's negative 800 times e to the minus 0.1 times 0. So this whole bit, if you plug it into your calculator, again, don't worry about the constants because you have a plus a constant and a minus a constant, so they go away. This is negative 294.305 approximately, minus negative 800, because e to the 0 is 1. It is. So you basically have 800, this is 800 minus 200, because that plus minus minus makes a plus. 294.305. So your answer is 505.9696. So you're thinking, I only made $505. No, because it's in thousands of dollars. Thousands, my friends. So you have 505,696. That sure beats the profit you made in the first 2 years with your Jiffy Lube or whatever you had. So, says, what, find the income stream? Well, you made 505,696. And again, the way you do this when it says for the next 10 years is you're taking the integral from 0 to 10. And then the real challenge, of course, is taking the integral, and then you can plug in the numbers. And I will leave you with this last picture of a brewery. Remember these guys? Wayne's World. Making fun of Laverne and Shirley. Thanks, guys. Continuous income stream.